How to fix not enough storage is available to complete this operation error on Windows. 1. Use a more significant number, range from 11 to 50, in IRP stack size at hkey_local_machine \system \current control set \services \lineman server \parameters in registry editor. 2. Delete the temporary folder files at %temp%. 3. Use a remote desktop software on the web. 4. Update Windows. 5. Upgrade your Microsoft SQL Server.